Oh, shit. Oh, I'm in. Like, I'm actually, like, looking around. Okay, my my vision is incredibly limited, by the way. Like, I can move this way or this way. That's like it. Edward Hopton. Oh, Barbara Hopton. Virginia Hopton.
500 feet below the ground.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
Fight demons. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I'm just like. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, at least he made it. Okay. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. What's wrong with you? Why would you do... Okay. Did he die? Okay. Bad idea. Oh, shit. Oh, Bioshock. Okay. 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 We're in. Alright. Alright, I'll get you here in a second. Okay, so I just eat the meds immediately. What the hell? Hello? Are you okay, dude? Bro, this guy's got something else going on. Oh, his ears. He has brain damage. Oh, his whole yeah. Oh, he fucking blasted out his ears. They got him. Follow me. I don't know what. Wait. Oh, he's completely dead. Oh, okay, I have to... Okay, I have to, like, write, and then tell... Okay, so he's dead. Yeah. Emergency pack, open. Okay. Oh, shit! Axe can be used to cut down trees. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I thought it would go in the opposite direction, but okay. I don't know what this is about. Like, see how I'm, like, right here on the ground? I can... Oh! It's to build a fire! Okay. Stick collected. What was that? My game just like forced my perspective up and then nothing. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, this is in my mouth. Yeah, thanks for shaking it around. Okay, this is my inventory. Now it's working. Light color. So I want to equip my axe. There's a marker over here. Got it. Fuck yeah. Deer hide, thank you. Why do I just eat it? Can I just take it, please? No, can I not? I don't want to just eat the deer. I want to take it. Can I can't just take the deer? Can I not take the meat? It keeps making me eat it. What the fuck? Like, I don't want to just eat the fucking meat. I wish I could just like, okay. Backpack. Add, what is 1, right? 1. Okay, M, open this, yeah. There's like points of interest, but then there's also, okay, this is English ivy. So we're probably somewhere in like Europe. This is actually a poisonous plant, I think. I'm gonna eat it anyway. Yeah. I wish I could just pick them. Can I not just pick them like I could in the other game? My character has this habit of just eating everything he sees. Kind of like me in real life. Okay, let's see what's down here. That just destroys it. I can't pick it up. Oh, cave. Oh. Hello. So I'm having like a guess that this game is more story oriented, or I guess because it doesn't seem like I can like pick a lot of shit up. But that's garbage. Okay. I can pick these up. At least I didn't eat the wire when I picked it up. Some printer resin. Thank you. Duct tape. Batteries. Can I not open that? Okay, there's some. Oh, I can save. Let me do that real quick. Sleep, I guess. Survivor, +1 day. That was really fast. Parallel universes and traveling between them. Excuse me. Okay. I get it. I get it. Thanks. Thank you. I get it. Put it away. Okay. Can I put the fucking book away? It's interesting. Put the fucking book away. Yeah. Okay. What is this bullshit? Thank you. What do you need? Times 2 sticks. Okay. Don't know how I'm gonna get 2 sticks to stick together. Ooh. Oh. Okay. I really wish I didn't just equip everything that I pick up, right? You would, like, there are circumstances where you don't want to just grab everything and put that in your inventory. I guess my inventory's full. Oh, I can 3D print arrows. Okay. Added resin. Oh, that's so fucking cool. Nice. Where's my guy? Where's Buddy at? I'd call him, but it wouldn't matter. He's probably outside. Oh, bless his heart. Okay. There's like these, I don't know, are these like servers? No, they're like they're like transformers or something. Okay. This looks amazing. This looks like really, really good. I'm just gonna say it. What's that noise? Oh, it's... Okay. It's like the light fixture. Some money. Cool. I'm rich. $24 collected. I don't have a badge. Maybe I can go back and 3D print one. Date. Conspiracy. Look! Oh, that's funny. I think that noise is Buddy following me outside the cave. Okay. Flask. Mask. Grappling hooks. Tech mesh. Sled. Arrow. Flask. Okay, let's make a flask. I guess, like, my character is just moving in slow motion. And that the game is, like, going... Because it said that this is going to take, like, 20 minutes or something. So, my character, his brain must be, like, operating at, like, half that speed. Mask. Grappling hooks. Tech mesh. Sure. I don't know what that is. Is this like that 3D printed fabric? Yeah, it is. Tech mesh added. Sled. How am I gonna print a whole sled on this? You are thirsty. Well, maybe I could drink some water. Fuck out of here. If you don't have microplastics in your food, you're basically not even American. Okay, I'm no longer thirsty. There's Buddy. Okay, so if I press I real quick, it just does that. But if I hold I, it does. That's my quick menu. Let's put the mask on. I thought when it was equipped, it would just put it in my fucking hand. What is this fresh hell? Why am I holding it sideways? Is my character incapable of just holding it right? Okay, let's put this and that, and then, yeah, and then we can, equip our spear. I'm getting the hang of it. Okay. Strip off its hide. Okay, that time I didn't just eat it. Okay. Thank goodness. Okay, there's points of interest to the north and in the middle of the ocean. And then it looks like there's like a lake or something. I'm gonna go to this lake up here. Oh, what the I heard a cannibal. Oh, over here? Oh, you're right. Good job, buddy. At least my game is paused when I inventory, is that what it seems? Stay away from Buddy. Okay. I might have to... Here, let me try equipping the mask and seeing if that does anything. There's Buddy. Let's get to, let's get to a place that we can actually, like, chill for a bit. I'm gonna collect some rocks and stuff. I need to start actually... Oh, there's a point of interest over here. Hey, Buddy. Are you okay? You're, like, bloody. Oh, boy. I did leave that cannibal body behind. I probably should have grabbed it. Good. I don't know why I can't just collect the blueberries. Yeah. It said I collect... Oh, wait. I did collect them. How did I collect them? How do I... Do I have to hold it? Okay. Oh, I can just tap it. Collect them. Okay. You still attack me? No? Okay. Cattails, we could eat these. Why can't we? It's not letting me eat them. Fish. Cosmetic fish. Oh, nice. Rocks with cattails popping out of them. Alright, there's just a cannibal just chilling over here. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take this lady's body. If that's all the same. Oh, your neck is so... Oh my god. What the... What is that? That's not alright. Why are you doing this, game devs? That's not how you build a body. Quit. No. Okay. Okay. Now I can equip the rocks. Okay. Then I can grab the body, presumably, and throw it up on top. Well, I thought I could... Okay. Good job, buddy! Here, actually... I am dead! Because it... Bro...
Life is what you make it.
Life is what you make it. Okay. That was like a scripted death. To do here. Okay. Got free? No. Free myself? Where's Buddy? If they killed Buddy, I'm gonna be pissed. What the are you? Okay. Oh, Lord. I guess restart? Oh, dude, it restarted me from the very fucking beginning. No, no. Okay. I guess we're gonna have to try and be careful. Yeah, I get it. Okay, cool. Your mind will be blown. My mind's already blown.